How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo X massage mechanism fabric cover. You will need a paper clip to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Locate the upper zipper on the left-hand side of the chair, then unzip the upper left side of the backrest pad. Unzip the foot and calf massager upholstered flap from the backrest pad. Locate the lower zipper on the left-hand side of the chair, then unzip the lower left side, front, and lower right side of the backrest pad. Unzip the upper right side of the backrest pad. Unzip the top of the backrest pad. Lift the front of the backrest pad, then locate the fabric cover zipper head. Insert a paper clip through the zipper head, then unzip the lower half of the fabric cover. Fold the upper backrest pad forward, then finish unzipping the fabric cover. Remove the fabric cover from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Place the cover into position, then attach the zipper in the lower left-hand corner of the backrest. Using a paper clip, zip the cover to the backrest. Attach the backrest pad zipper in the rear right-hand corner of the seat, then zip the lower right-hand side, front, and left-hand side of the backrest pad to the chair. Zip the foot and calf massager upholstered flap to the backrest pad. Starting at the top of the backrest, zip the right-hand side of the backrest pad to the chair. Starting at the top of the backrest, zip the left-hand side of the backrest pad to the chair. Zip the top of the backrest pad to the chair. Plug in the chair, then power it on. Power on the remote. Press the power button again, then select power off to restore the chair. The chair is restored when the door touch panel lights turn from red to blue and the remote automatically powers off.